الله أكبر الله أكبر.
Today I wake up at 5 and I had my wudu and then I went to prayer room. It's so calm and quiet here. How beautiful it is to start your day with morning prayer and connecting to your Almighty, talking to Allah, crying in front of Him, and just talking to Him. Whenever I feel low or sad about something, I make sure to visit prayer room in the morning because this gives me immense peace. And it's so good to talk to Allah in such a hot place in the hostel. So yeah, it's completely silent here. Nobody was there. I think when I was praying, then somebody came for prayer and also to read Quran. It's a good space. I just love this space so much, as I said earlier in my videos as well. So very quickly I had my prayer and I asked dua for so long. Then I slept for a while and when I wake up, it's been raining and it's 7 o'clock now. There is something magical about monsoon in a university hostel. The sound of rain outside my window and seeing it like this makes us feel so good. I just love rain, but not always, but sometimes I just love and enjoy it. And how mesmerizing it is to have a warm coffee in this monsoon time. So I had my black coffee today because it's morning and I don't want to start with the cappuccino or other coffee. So sometimes I just love the simple black coffee, strong without any sugar, warm and hot coffee in the especially when it's raining. I just love it. And then after that I sat for a while and studied for some time. Then I had some work in the department. I went to the department and it's not the same day, it's the another day. That day I didn't go, but it's the another day. And this is my dining hall and for breakfast I just had simple meal. Sometimes it's good to have something warm from hostel dining hall. So it's pav bhaji. So I just came back from the department. I was so knackered at this moment, but I thought let's record this because I won't get time again. And this is my outfit, and this is how I go to the department. And I make sure to put my gloves on because you know here weather is completely hot and humid. I easily get tan, especially my hands. So I make sure to put gloves. And I'm so exhausted. I was telling something. Yeah. Hi. Hello. Okay. Since I wasn't using mic, also the electricity wasn't there. I mean, it's gone. So I thought, okay, let's do it. It's extremely hot here and I feel so thirsty. Okay, things are messy here. And I hate this. I hate, putting this wire thing. I don't know how to do this. Okay, let's begin. I'm not using mic over here. Hello, welcome to the episode 3. In this video, I'm gonna show you what I eat in a hostel and the prayers, morning prayers, and rain because it's been raining every alternative days. And I just came back. I'm dead tired now. But yeah, I just wanted to shoot this video because I've been quite busy these days and I couldn't shoot. Also, I'm not using mic at this. I'm not sure whether you're or I would recommend to use earphones. Please put your earphones on. Now, moving to the second meal of the day, it's a fruit salad. So, for today, I just have only two fruits with me, that is apple and plum. I don't like plum that much, but I try to eat seasonal fruit most of the time because it's healthy and delicious at the same time. So what I do is I chopped it and then I mix lemon, little sugar sometime, but not always. And also I mixed black pepper powder and the roasted cumin powder. I would say that's jeera powder. And then I mixed it and then I have it this fruit salad. And then it's lunch time. You can see the simple lunch. Okay, so after lunch I took a nap and then after that I went to hostel gate to receive my order, and it started raining so heavy like you can see, and I thought let's go to this morning. You can see the mess all over here. It's 4 o'clock now, and now the third meal of my day, that is the tea time. Today I was invited by my senior Ep3 and I prepared some corn snap. It wasn't that tough, I would say. It's quick and easy. And of course, ginger tea. So many things to eat today for our evening snack. शाम की चाय and इतने सारे कुछ खाने के लिए, wow, that too in hostel. Also, she bought this matri homemade. Oh, what a dark weather, you can see. So cloudy, rainy, and black. So we were just sitting and chatting and talking and waiting for garam garam jalebi with my seniors. They are so nice. Ibtisham Appi and Afrin Appi.
It's okay. No, Sandeep, we jalebi तुम्हारे लिए.
Thank you so much. We are gonna have jalebi.
No, भाई.
Yes, we captured it. And then just before the dinner, this is my, I would say, second last meal of the day. So very quickly I'll prepare this, what I would say, salad raita, salad yogurt. No. It's a vegetable yogurt, I would say. Again, it's quite healthy. Usually I don't mix it with fruits, but today I mix it with fruit also, some apples and pomegranate and beetroot. And onion, of course. Usually I used to have this with cucumber and beetroot and onion, but for today, like, I mixed it again with the food. It's healthy, good for gut health. Also for dinner I prepared this chicken and plow from my mom's recipe. It was delicious and yum. And then it's skin time. Now coming to the skincare routine. My skincare routine is quite simple one. I don't do much skincare, but I try to follow some of them. Also, I don't apply much makeup. I believe in minimal makeup, and my skincare routine is quite simple. So let me show you. So this one is SPF 50 matte sunscreen by Earth Rhythm. My friend suggested me, and it's awesome. Next is MAC primer. This one is quite nice. It blends easily and makes your skin smooth. And yeah, this sunscreen is matte. It won't give you the oily. It's good for combination skin type. And this moisturizer by Johnson, I use it mostly. My sister gave me this. And then this is the plum serum which I'm using nowadays. This is vitamin C Mandarin serum. I haven't used it earlier, so I'm just using it. I don't know, but I'll mention you in the description box. And the next one is Pilgrim serum. I have used this one earlier. It's good. So this is all, and yeah, this one, my hostel made homemade mask. So it's basically raw turmeric with milk. Sometimes I apply it with yogurt. It's really nice. It makes your skin so soft, and all your tanning and everything is clear. Your skins get clear after one wash. So I would highly recommend this one. And that's it. That's it all about my skincare, the food that I eat in the hostel. That's all. I hope you like my video. So yeah, now this is my last meal of the day, and I was craving for it. Ice cream with some brownies, and then we went for a little walk. And that's all. I hope you like my video.